In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the voice pitch in CapCut PC. If you want to make a voice sound deeper, higher, or even create a more playful effect like an anime-style, robotic, or chipmunk-like voice, CapCut PC gives you two very simple ways to do it. Both options are quick, beginner-friendly, and easy to test in real time so you can hear what works best for your project. Let's start with the first method, which uses CapCut's built-in voice filter presets. This is the fastest option if you want instant results without needing to fine-tune anything manually. First, click on your video or audio clip in the timeline so it's selected. Once that clip is highlighted, move to the top right Properties panel and click on the Audio tab. From there, select Voice Effects. Inside this section, you'll be able to scroll through different voice filters and voice characters. This is where CapCut gives you ready-made pitch and tone transformations. For example, if you want a lower and fuller sounding voice, try a preset like Deep. If you want a much higher pitch, you can click options like Chipmunk or Elf. As soon as you choose one, CapCut instantly applies the effect to your voice, which makes this method great for quick experiments or stylized edits. Now let's look at the second method, which gives you more manual control over the pitch shift. Select your clip on the timeline again, then go to the Speed tab in the top right panel. Here you'll see an option called Keep Pitch. Uncheck that box. This step is important because if Keep Pitch stays enabled, changing the speed will not change the pitch naturally. Once it's unchecked, drag the speed slider slightly higher if you want the voice to sound higher. If you drag the speed lower, the voice will become deeper. This method works by changing both speed and pitch together, so it's especially useful if you want a more natural pitch shift rather than a dramatic filter effect. After applying either method, test the result by pressing the spacebar to play it back and listen carefully. If needed, go back to the audio and basic sections to fine-tune the sound. You can adjust the volume slider to balance the level, and you can also turn on noise reduction to help the pitch-shifted voice sound cleaner and clearer. That's it. You now know the two easiest ways to change voice pitch in CapCut PC.